Now to open up the hood of this Chevy, down here below, just below this button, you will notice this down here. All you have to do is just go like so. You're gonna hear a pop. You're gonna notice that this just opened up. All you have to do is just put your hand in. You're gonna feel something that you have to press, well, kind of swivel to the right hand side, and that unlocks it. So what I was talking about is this, and I was just pressing this like so. So I was doing this action to unlock this, and that actually makes this unlock like so. So that's what that does. All right, so the engine and everything else, you guys can have a quick glance at it. So here you go. So it's pretty easy to access right here our battery, which is very important. So I've seen some models of cars where it's almost impossible, which makes absolutely no sense. And really there's not that much to show you, but here you go. And to close this, you just bring it down. So I do want to note that you do have to kind of slam this in order to lock it up, or else you're just gonna be pushing up and down a lot. Now here is the back of the truck, and that's it. There's really not much more to show you. That would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.